In this video, you will learn how to find frequency of a variable using GroupBy. Let's import Pandas as PD. I'll make one variable df and I'll read a CSV file and save in this pd.read_csv, and inside this I will pass the file name, which is titanic.csv. Let us look at the head of a data frame. I'll write df.head. And here in the output, you can see we have this data frame here, and we have columns such as ID, P class, name, gender, age, SIB, SP, and so on. We can even look at the shape of our data frame. I will write df.shape. So we have total 891 rows and 12 columns. Now to get frequency of a single column, we can use the method value_counts. So let's say we want to find the frequency of this column gender, that is how many males and females are there. So we will use the method df or this value_count. So I will write here df and then the variable, which is gender, and then the method, which is value_counts. And here in the output you will see we got the results here. So for male there are 577 values, and for female there are 314 samples. Now let's say if we want to get the count for more than one variable, then how we can do that? Can I pass in this? So I'll copy this code from here, and if I put the other variable, let's say I will put P class. So I'll write here P class. So it is giving me key error, and if I even if I put two brackets here, and it still gives me an error. So for more than one variable, this value_counts function will not work. So in that case, we will have to use this GroupBy function. So now let's do the same with the GroupBy function. I'll cut this line here, and now I will call the GroupBy function. So I will first call df, which is the data frame df.groupby, and inside this I will write here I want to get the frequency of gender and embarked gender, or what we were saying, P class. So I will write here P class dot value_counts. Now here in the output you will see now we got the results for these two categories. So it has split gender into male and female and P class into 1, 2 and 3. Now it says that for this P class 3, for gender female there are total 144 samples. For P class 1 gender female 94 samples. For P class 2 gender female 76 samples. For male, for P class 3 the samples are 347, for 1 122 and for 2 108. So whenever you want to get the group frequency, that is you want to get the frequency of more than one variable, then you can use this function GroupBy, and then you will be able to get the frequency of your group. If you try to get it using this method, so you won't be able to get it. And you can also get the unique values. So here you will see in gender we have two unique categories, males and female, and in P class we have these three unique categories, 1, 2 and 3. So we can even get that using the method nUnique. Let's say I will write here df of gender and then dot and the function name, which is nUnique. So it says there are two unique values, which is male and female. Similarly we can do for df of P class dot nUnique, and we should get 3 here. So it says 3 because there are 3 unique values, 1, 2 and 3. And we can even call the GroupBy function on this unique method. So I will write here df.groupby and then P class and then gender dot nUnique. So here in the output we got the results. So it says that for this P class there are 3 unique categories, 1, 2 and 3, and for this gender we have this 2 unique categories. So whenever you want to find the group frequency, that is you have to find the frequency of more than one variable, then you have to use this method GroupBy along with the value underscore counts method. So this tutorial was about how you can find the group frequency in Pandas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.